Next pass by will be a 222 Meridian going from London's Pancras to Nottingham. I think Nottingham or Derby. Not Derby. Thank you very much. Sheffield, sorry. 222-023 off to Sheffield. Thank you very much for the tone, sir. I was a bit rushed on getting the first train in the video, so let's do a proper intro. Welcome back to another day in my life. I'm back at Loughborough because I've got nothing better to do with my life. You may notice my camera is a bit different. I have got a new phone for some personal reasons, but yeah, there should be a 99 with 66 something 301, I think, coming by. That'll be pretty nice. There's a load of activity going from Derby RTC. Here now is a Meridian going to Nottingham, calling it East Midlands Parkway, Beeston and Nottingham. I say may for a reason, be going Derby and Nottingham, which will be in a few parts. Anyway, coming in behind me is that. Very nice. Thanks for the info. I may be getting a better camera in the next few weeks. Behind me is 101, and here is 102, or 103, sorry. Off to London St Pancras. 222.103 is here, and 222.101 is over there. Having a great start to the day. Today, well, but yeah. Anyway, about to go now is the 10:31 East Midlands Railway service, formed of 222-101 off to Nottingham. As I believe the 10:32 East Midlands Railway service, formed by 222-103, is going off to London St Pancras at the same time, which is wonderful. Thank you very much from the driver of 222-101. As you can see, 103, I didn't quite have my camera in the distance there, but a nice flat wheel. Anyway, about to come by should be something special going from Derby RTC to Donaldsmoor. Cool. Donaldsmoor GBRF. I haven't told you yet, but what? Cool. Alright. What would it be?
I don't know.
That helps.
Isn't...
Yes, we know. That's very interesting. What? Hopefully. Until it becomes like a 66 with Summit. No, it could be a HST for all I know. I mean, it's not past us 125 mile an hour, so it won't be. Oh, has it? It could have a double yellow for all we know. Oh, I know. Oh, God. Anyway, oh, I wasn't paused. Whoops. Anyway, I'm here with first class trains today. until about 5 o'clock, and then I'm with myself for 2 It's a DBS low with a 37. Yeah, it's a DBS low.
Oh, it is as well.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, was that 73?
No, that's a DBS low. Or is it? No, that's a... Yeah, no, that's DBS low. Anyway, coming by now is a DBSO with the 37, I want to say, on the rear. Yeah, I'm here with first class trains today. DBSOs don't have horns. Or at least I don't think they do. (9714), I think. I don't know where to find the numbers on these. With a very nice sounding Cola 37219 on the rear there. Bloody hell. Go on. Oh god. Oh. Oh yes. About to come by now is a 70, I think. Yeah. Going to Cola Structure Junction. Yeah, Cola 70. Very nice. Never. Thank you very much. 70. Oh. Coming out of 222 off to Sheffield. The Carbon Cutter. This is my favourite Meridian out of all of them. Haven't been out in a couple of weeks, so I haven't seen it. Very nice to see it again. Ignore me adjusting my tripod. It's like the platform's weird, okay? It's like tilted. About to go now is 222-006 working the late 10:49 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield, calling it East Midlands Parkway, Beeston, is it? No, Long Eaton, Derby, Chesterfield and Sheffield. Well, I don't know what happened there. That there was the 11:05 East Midlands, no, 10:53 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester calling at barrow-upon-soar. So I'll be cycling in Leicester. Was it worked by 172.01? It's been about 10 minutes since I recorded that. About to... I'm recording! Anyway, sorry about that. Crash up. About to pass by now is the late running 10:50. Shut up and get it right. 10:53 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. Not stopping. Don't think it is. 222-020. Coming in now is the late 10:53 East Midlands Railway service to London Pancras, calling at Leicester and London Pancras, formed of 222-015.
Hello, kiddies.
Oh! Not again.
I suffer from autism.
I'm gonna cut that out.
Anyway, after whatever went on there. Coming in now is the late 11:04 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central. Formed of a turbo star, unfortunately. 170-273. Anyway, the passing now is the late 11:04 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central. Thank you very much. As about to come by now is the late East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Don't know what time is it supposed to pass? 6 minutes late from Nottingham to London St Pancras, calling at, I'd say, Leicester, Kettering, Market Harbour. Got it the wrong way around, but oh well. Where else? Luton? No, I don't know. I'm just gonna stop trying. It's a bit embarrassing at this point. No, I figured that one out ages ago. That's very nice. Got a red. Thank you very much from the driver of 222-016. 015, so no, 016. About to pass by now is the 222 on the up slow line. You don't see this much, do you? I'm having hiccups. Going from Etches Park to Etches Park, probably doing driver training, turning around at Leicester. Thank you very much. From the driver of 222-002. Don't see this much, do you? After seeing that odd occurrence of a meridian on the up slow, there is another meridian coming by, unfortunately, having some hiccups, going from London St Pancras to Nottingham. Well, bringing up some wind there. 222018. About to pass by now is a meridian going from Sheffield or Nottingham to London St Pancras. Formed of 222. Very nice. Whoa. 222014 there.